Welcome to the demo of PM Scheduler. PM Scheduler is a modular version of advanced planning and scheduling software. You have more flexibility to choose module of your requirement and concentrate on your area of interest. Now, overall things a scheduler offers: order processing. Right from the reception of order from the customer to the delivery of any product to your customer, order can be processed. Based on the process route of a product, a micro-level production plan can be generated. Examine the capacity of available resources and plan every single minute of your machine. Based on the order priority, you can schedule, reschedule, and adapt to the dynamic market demand. Once the production plan is generated, you can observe the expected date of order completion, and the dynamic scheduling feature of software will help you to manage on-time order delivery. PM Scheduler is offered in single module or combination of modules where planning is core of the platform. Along with planning, either stores or production can be available based on the requirement. After login, user will be navigated to landing page. Here we can see the whole platform is divided into number of sections like administration, customer, stores, planning, production, and reports. We'll take up the first case where stores and planning is enabled and production is disabled. Under administration section, we will define masters, which is a part of prerequisites to plan an order. So first we will define the company details. Here we will define the company details. We will upload the logo, enter the address, and then click on submit. Under department master, we will define number of departments who are going to use the platform. Say production department, planning department who are going to use the platform. We will click on add department, enter the name, and click on submit. Next, under profile setting users, we will actually define number of users who are going to use the platform. We click on add user, and here we will define first name, last name, user code, username, password. User will actually use the username and password to log into the platform and access it. We will define the department, say production, and the role, say an operator who is going to use the platform, and click on submit. Under shift master, we will define shift details. Here we will actually define the shifts in which the factory works. Say there is a first shift which has a start and end time from 6 to 2, a second shift B which starts at 2 and ends at 10, and the third shift which starts at 10 and ends at 6. So we will select the status of the shift as active, and software will consider this active shifts for creating production plan. Under machine master, we will go in machine details. Here we will click on add machine, where we will actually define the machine name, say VMC 4000, the machine code, say VMC 4000, and here we will select the capability of machine. Say this machine is capable of doing operation 10, operation 20, operation 30, 40, and 50. We will enter the efficiency factor. By default, efficiency factor is 100%, that is 1. So whenever the production plan is created, it will consider the efficiency factor of machine. We will keep the capacity setting as product wise capacity, and we will select the type of machine. If it is a normal type of machine, we will leave everything as default. If it is a lot machine, we'll select this checkbox. If it is a conveyor machine, we'll select it as a conveyor machine. If it is a pallet machine, we'll select pallet machine checkbox and enter pallet name P1, P2. Under setup time setting, we will select product wise setup time, which is default. Here, under machine working days, we will define the actual days in which the machine is going to work. Here we can select machine working time as per the shift time, or we can select odd time. Let's keep it default. Active shifts are selected by default. Say a machine is not working in certain shifts, in C shift, so we can uncheck C shift and software will not consider C shift while creating a plan. The machine hour rate is 250 rupees per hour. We'll enter it and click on submit. We can see PMC 4000 under machine details. So here we can actually see how many operations machine is capable of doing. Under actions details, we can quickly look at the settings of machine. If at any point we want to edit, we can click on edit and enter the data accordingly. Let's move on to product master, product details. Here we will actually define the product details. We click on add product. Let's keep the product type as component, product code PC1, product name rocker shaft, product version name V1, purchase unit of measurement PU1, I will keep it as kg. That is, stores is issuing me raw material in kg and I am producing finished goods in numbers. I will keep the conversion factor as 4, which means 1 kg of raw material produces 4 parts. Under raw material, I will select E-unit shaft, E-unit material and the conversion factor as 0.25. Here I will define operations. The first operation is cutting, next operation is turning, third operation returning, fourth operation is finishing. So this way we can define a sequence of operations for a product. Similarly, we can select assembly type of product, and for assembly we have to select different types of products. Once all the parameters are defined, we can click on submit and save the product details. Now let's move on to the next section. We will define raw material. Under inventory section, raw material master, we will define the raw material. Click on add raw material. Let the raw material code be RM2, raw material name MSD100, purchase unit of measurement kg, inventory unit of measurement kg, and the conversion factor 1. Let the safety stock level be 10 kg and maximum stock level 100 kg. Select the category as automobile. Once all the parameters are entered, click on submit. We'll see a summary of raw material on raw material master page. Let's go ahead and define vendor details in the vendor master. Here we will define vendor type, say outsourcing vendor or procurement vendor. If we are outsourcing our job to a vendor, select outsourcing vendor, vendor name, say PVC vendor, and we'll select which operation this vendor is capable of doing. Now next we will define customer master. As customer, we will define customer code, say C11, customer name is C11. We can actually make this customer as a user, So you can himself log in and check the order status. Once all the details are entered, click on Submit. We'll define Holiday Master. In Holiday Master, we'll define weekly holidays. Say on Sunday, our factory is closed, so software will not consider Sunday while creating production plan. Any additional holidays can be added in this section. Under Customer section, Order Input, let's define an order. Click on Add Order. We'll define the PO number, say PO10. Customer is C10. Product code. We have received an order of 100 quantity for canister tube. If we have any finished goods in the warehouse, so I have 0 stock. Let the delivery date be after 10 days, and if all the parameters are entered, click on Submit. Let's go ahead and do a raw material GRN entry. Click on Add Raw Material GRN entry. So the delivery challan number is TC18, challan date, and select the vendor. I will select the raw material and say we are purchasing 100 kgs and 50 rupees per kg. Click on Submit. I will go under Order Material Allocation and do Auto Allocation. I can see a pending allocation tag here. Software has automatically allocated required quantity out of the available stock. Let's go ahead and do Issue to Shop Floor. I can see a pending ISF tag here, so I will do Auto ISF. So the required quantity got automatically issued to shop floor. Let's plan the order. I can see under status pending machine allocation tag. I'll go inside machines. Operation dependency is by default 100, that is equal to actual order quantity. Here is the list of machines which are capable of doing cutting operation. I will check Select All and allow the software to select first available machine. Inside capacity calculator, I will define the cutting time, say 5 minutes. If use first available machine is unchecked, software will create parallel plan on 3 machines. I will perform the same steps for the remaining 3 operations and then click on Submit. Now I will click on this checkbox and plan this order. Yes. I will save the schedule and it is seen on Gantt chart. On in process page, orders are listed as per the delivery date and priority. The recently planned order is at 6th position and the expected date of completion is 22nd September, that is 6 days before the delivery date. In case of change in order priority due to customer demand, change the priority and validate the schedule. Yes. Here you can see how change in order priority has updated the expected date of completion. If you are okay with the schedule, confirm the schedule. To record daily production, click Force Complete and enter daily completed quantities operation wise. Say 5 quantities are completed for operation. I'll click Submit and the updated schedule plan will be created for remaining quantities. Under Reports, All Reports, user can observe percentage completion for each job cut and completion for operation. Here is the sales plan and commitment report, and under daily schedule report, supervisor can directly obtain schedule per machine which can be forwarded to shop floor. There are certain downloadable reports below which can be downloaded for further analysis. The platform certainly offers automated solutions to create production plan while ruling out gaps in the schedule. To know more, contact us on these details.